Welcome to For Seller channel. This video will teach you how to migrate your Woocommerce products and publish them in Shopify, TikTok, and Temu stores. Let's begin by copying to TikTok stores. Go to the home page and click on the Listings module where you will see the moving options. Choose to migrate from Woocommerce. Here you can see all of you listings. Choose Copy to Shop. You can migrate one listings and click which store you want to migrate to and click Import. Wait for the ends of green progress bar and click Next and enter the edit page to modify this product. If you have already modified every field, you can click Save and publish. This products can be published directly. Now let me show you how to migrate your Woocommerce products to Temu stores. Enter the migration page of Etsy, click the listings you want to sync in bulk, and choose the Copy to Stores button. Choose which Temu store you want to copy to and choose Import. Wait for the ends of green progress bar and choose the Next button. Here you can click more than 2 listings to batch modify. In this page you can batch input or modify like price, SKU, weight, and quantity information. And after you finish your modification, you can choose Save. Now these listings can be published, so you can also click them to batch publish. Now let us continue by the migration from Woocommerce to Shopify. Choose Copy by Shop. Here you need choose which store you want to copy from, and Copy by Shop can migrate your active, inactive, and remove status products, and choose which store you want to copy to. You can also choose to copy the same products or skip the same products and then choose Import. Wait for the ends of green progress bar and click Next. The page will jump into the Shopify draft page. Here choose Batch Modify. According to the red signal, the 2 listings just missed the shop SKU, so you just need to batch input SKU. After you finish that, you can choose Save and Publish button. They can be published directly. Thank you so much for your watching. The migration function from Woocommerce can also apply to the migration function of TikTok, Temu, Amazon, Shopify, eBay, and Etsy. If you want to know more new function of For Seller, please subscribe us.